Anthony Stevens yn cyrraedd yn hwyr. Leslie ar Caerdydd, dyma Stevens yn dod amdani, Bale yn cael ei hennill gan y myfyrwyr. A'i clirio ras rhwng Mendes a Davies. A mae Davies yn mynd i gyrraedd na gynta. Mael Davies yn gofod mynd hyd y can, codi'r Bale. Tuag at y gôl, oedd wedi gweld Tibbets oddi ar ei linell. Ar ei drod chwith bydd Leslie'n crimanu hon mewn tuag at y postyn agosa. Y flic ymlaen, Fuller yn galw, mae yna ddryswch ac mae allan am gic gornel arall. Venables ar cyffyrddiad. Fuller yn mynd am nôl, diffyg cyfathrebu yn dyrnu'n glir. Smith ar tafliad, mewn at Kieran Smith. Sean Smith nôl at Stephen. Stephen yn croesi'n dda, mae'n curo pawb. Venables ar y postyn pella, nôl mae'n dod a mae'n cael ei harbed gan Fuller. Cyfle gorau'r ail hanner. Molyneux yr eilydd. Yn ei sgubo hi mewn, ar ôl beniad, mae Fuller yn dyrnu, mae'r Bale yn y rwyd, ond mae yna drosedd ar Will Fuller. A Caerdydd yn un peryglis gan yr eilydd, ond mi oedd yn arwystro ar Will Fuller. Lewis yn hir tuag at y gornel. Will Evans, cyffyrddiad da, mewn i'r canol, Davies yn cyrraedd yn hwyr. O, mae'n gamgymeriad! Gan Josh Tibbets! A mae Will Evans wedi ennill y gêm i'r myfyrwyr. Os oes un enillydd heddiw, Morris y gwynt yw hwnnw. Diweddglo dramatic ar Bala I pen yn ei plu.
It wasn't a good game to watch. It was bad, really. You know, I've not been here with conditions like that, but you know, it did affect the game and it did affect the quality of the game as well. So, but you know, I thought I would have been happy with the point. And I was happy with the performance, but you know, with a goal like that, it's just a sickener in the timing of it.
Unfortunately, on the day-to-day, we looked poor. Both teams. I've spoken myself and Colin Spokens has said that it was a game worthy of 0-0. If that doesn't go on after 11 o'clock at night, I don't know what will. But you know, the story of our season has been one of maybe hard luck stories at times, didn't deserve others, but today we'll take that because I think just give the boys a little bit more confidence going into next week, whereby you know, we've got Caerdydd at home, which we know will be a tough test, but any type of win over Bala you'd take, and obviously we'll take that little mistake at the end to give us the 3 points. If we're in that top 6, brilliant. If we're not, so be it, we'll win it from 7th.